Welcome to the wonderful world of memory training. My name is Chris I am Nemo, and I'm your host on this journey through this fantastic world. This course is the result of studying dozens of books, totaling some thousands of pages, dozens of hours of e-learning courses, and of hundreds of hours of practical exercises. The result is an organized framework for everything related to memory training, which can give you a clear picture of what this wonderful hobby and skill can do for your life. This course is the first part of the series, the Memory Techniques course, and includes the basic mnemonic systems. It will be continued with the second part, dedicated to the advanced mnemonic systems. If you want to go further and learn advanced memory techniques used by memory athletes in competitions, I recommend the second part of the course, dedicated to those who want to continue on the path of improving memory. The second part will be available soon after the release of this course. Now, let's see the structure of this course. First, the introductory chapter, which gives an overview of the course. You have already watched the first two videos, the mental athletes and the challenge of this course. And now, we are at the third, the structure of this course. Then we go to the Museum of Memory, where we will see the evolution of the art of memory over the centuries. Next, we will visit the Memory Factory, where we can see how the memories are created and what do memories look like in our brains. The core of this course is in the fourth chapter. Here, I will present the basic memory systems and methods, organized as you can see in this mind map. Each method is explained in detail and with examples. You will also find this mind map as a PDF file in the bonus section of this course. In Chapter 5, you will learn about how you can apply the basic memory methods in your daily life and reduce forgetfulness in your everyday activities. You will find a lot of examples of how to use these techniques every day for improving your life. Next, discover tips and tricks from the memory experts that can help you to use these techniques more effectively. In Chapter 7, you'll learn what does a healthy memory lifestyle mean, and you'll discover the do's and don'ts of the memory lifestyle. This chapter also includes a section about memory supplements and nootropics. Then, you will find a summary of this course and where to go from here if you want to continue your journey towards memory improvement. The last section of this course includes exclusive bonus material designed to help you to put into practice these techniques. So, let's begin our journey.